What's up, people? So, one of my friends actually told me that he needs some posters for sustainability and environment. I used to have those back in the days, but I lost access to that data. So, I went to this one AI art generator, Ideogram AI, and what I did was I generated some stuff over here. Let me just show you. So, the prompt here was kids and adults all coming together to save the planet and environment. So this is what it made for me. And well, there's another photo like this one. All these posters actually seem good. And then I made another one, save the planet conserve water poster. So this seems quite interesting. So if you are looking to make posters and art, Ideogram AI is the way to go. I had a premium version of it, but right now this is a free one, and I could even do such wonderful stuff with the free one. So this is actually really good. Let's try out something in real time. So let us put sustainability and save energy poster. So let's see what it gives us, and it doesn't take that much time. If you are a premium user, it will take even less time, but right now it already generated 25%, 66. There you go. And it's ready. You see, save energy, power a greener future. Okay, save energy, good. Yeah, this one also seems good. So I'll copy this one as well. So that's how you generate all this cool art with Ideogram AI. So see you in another video, everyone.